Hi guys, this is a much awaited video regarding corporate financial reporting paper in CMA final. As you all know, that many students are asking in the recent past regarding CMA final corporate financial reporting paper, which is one of the tough paper in CMA final, which comes in group number 4. Right? The CMA final, we have group 3 and group 4, 4 papers each. So group number 4, in that paper number 18, right?
18.
Yeah. So that is corporate financial reporting, and which is handled by none other than our famous accounts faculty, CS Sai Babu sir. He is a very well-known faculty for accounting. He has a very great understanding of accounting and, really sound knowledge of all the accounting and financial reporting principles. See, what is the difference between corporate financial reporting and financial accounting at CMA Inter? In CMA Inter, what you're learning is accounting, whereas in CMA final, you are going to learn something called reporting. Both are different. Accounting is something that can be done by anybody. Reporting is something that can be done only by few. And corporate financial reporting, which is also something similar to, I don't know how many of you know, CA final also has a paper like financial reporting. The same thing is replicated in CMA final, corporate financial reporting. And Sai Babu sir has made a wonderful book on corporate financial reporting. This is such a wonderful book, such a compact book, by the way. This is just less than 400 pages, not just concept book. This is both concept and question bank put together. This was developed by Sai Babu sir, who has taken approximately more than 2 months of hard work. He has invested a lot of time and compiled this particular concept book, and which also has question and answers which are taken from CMA final study material, where so many mistakes were there which were rectified, as well as some CA final questions additionally were taken. Remember, they were taken additionally. They are not substitute to CMA final, whatever questions. So this book covers both CMA final complete study material coverage, as well as CA final few problems which whatever he judged that it is important for CMA final. And I've gone through this entire book. It's really wonderful. And one more thing, we are also launching CMA final CFR course videos, where already sir has completed course close to 50 hours of recording. 50 hours is over. The entire course content is going to be for 150 hours, 120 to 150, 120 or 130 to 150, plus or minus. We are not sure exactly how many hours exactly it will come. Accurate number may not be given right now, but the accurate number will be freezed by November mid. So right now we are doing this video in the October 2nd week, just a day before the Dasara festival. So this is regarding what Sai Babu sir has done for CMA final corporate financial reporting. Sir, you just tell what problem many CMA final students are facing with respect to CFR. What is the shortage that is there with respect to CFR, and how you worked on this particular book? Precisely, can you tell what you did exactly for this?
Sir, the main object of my classes is that I want to make students to pass.
Yes.
So before giving all the practical knowledge, which is absolutely necessary, but the thing is that they need to get a comprehensive knowledge. At the same time, it should definitely help them to qualify in the exams.
Got it.
So keeping that in mind, I have prepared a material, and as well as in my classes also. So I try to cover what is required for them. So I have not overdone any theory as well as the practical questions. What happens is, sometimes for the CMA final students, if you go on teaching more number of questions and go on discussing much theory, so it may be very difficult for them to get over this subject.
Yeah.
So what I done consciously is that I try to cover practically to the extent possible, and which is exactly necessary for them to qualify for the exams.
Got it.
So my main object is to make the students to pass.
Ultimately, in CMA final also, I think second group students fail in CFR only.
Yes.
To best of my knowledge.
Yes, sir.
The nightmare paper in group 2 CFR. There is of course one paper called optional paper, which is open book, I think. Okay. And this paper is nightmare. I'm telling you, this 400 pages book is more than enough. Okay. Yes. So what sir is ultimately telling is he has made this book very, very comprehensive at the same time.
Precise at the same time, very
comprehensive, both. Generally comprehensive books means you find generally 1,000 pages. No, it's not like that. It is precisely done with a comprehensive conceptual clarity, where if you have taken the CFR classes of Sai Babu sir, you are going to you're going to get like you're going to master the CFR subject. At the same time, most importantly, you are going to qualify. Yes, sir.
One more thing, sir. There are so many missing points in CMA final CFR material. So
That's
what I have done is I have made a lot of research and identified all those missing things, and I have incorporated it. Accordingly, all the problems relating to it is also incorporated.
Okay. Now, if possible, if at all possible, if at all you remember, if it is possible for you, convenient for you, can you just throw one concept, if you remember, any one concept where, a particular point is missing in the ISA stud material and how you incorporate it? Is it possible to identify, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, and 1 minute, sir. By the way, the PDF, this material PDF is freely available on our site, CMA.com website. You download that PDF file. So, and sir will tell you the page number right now, for example, and you just cross-refer with the ISA stud material parallel if you want to. Yeah.
So, like for example, there is a standard relating to impairment of assets.
Got it.
So, in impairment of assets, if you see the CMA study material, allocating of corporate assets to cash generating units for impairment.
Allocation of CGU, yes. CGU concept.
Yes.
Allocation of assets to CGU.
Especially in regarding to the corporate assets, how it will be allocated, how impairment loss will be distributed between
Got it.
So, if you see the study material, sir, most of the times it is missing. At the same time, they have covered in big paragraphs. So, what I have done is that I made an effort to give it in a simple stepwise manner.
Oh yeah. For example, in the PDF that you are downloading, the concept book, it is 47th page. 47th page. Oh, fine. So that's it. So sir has made a very simple, neat, clear analysis with proper side headings, underlining keywords. CFR is not just a practical paper. It is also like a theory. You need to be very clear in Indians. You need to be very clear in concepts, without which you cannot do well in exams in CFR. And remember, if you're trying to well in CFR, there are chances that you can score 80 plus in CFR.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. One more thing, sir. I have not overdone the theory as well as the practical problems.
So you balanced both. Yes, sir. That's why
I chose a balanced approach.
Yeah, that the result is visible.
Yes, that's why the material is so compact. And I think if the student, the first priority is he has to cover it comprehensively.
Yeah.
And if he has a time, he can go for further problems.
Personally, honestly, I'm telling you, first time I'm seeing an accounting book. Forget about CFR, accounting book less than 400 pages. Even in our CA Inter accounts book is there, which is more than 400 pages. CM Inter, we have account subject, which is also more than 400 pages. But final book, less than 400 pages, including concepts, including problems, that too without compromising the quality. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, is there anything else you want to speak or want to share?
The classes will be around 120 to 150 hours, and hope this will be wonderful tool to every CMA final student to get through this difficult paper.
Yes.
So, that's it, sir.
Okay. So, that's it. This is regarding CFR. Open our website, restofcma.com. Enroll into the course of CFR. You can order this book also. Your choice. If you want to only the book, you can order the book. By the way, if you think this book is overpriced on our website, don't worry. PDF is freely available. You can download and take a print. And that's complete credit goes to Sai Babu sir, who has spent a lot many, nights. I know personally, he has spent almost up to 9:30 and then, made this book wonderfully. And special thanks to Sai Babu sir. And all the very best. Do well.
And one more thing, sir. I want feedback from all the students so that we can improve this material.
Yes, sir. One request is sir is saying, after going through the entire below this video, try to give your comment. Okay? Yes. Try to comment, or you can reach our Rest. There is a group in Rest and Telegram. You can search Rest of Fraternity. In that group also, you can post a message like, how is this book? What do you feel about the feedback about the book? All that. In that fraternity, in the admins list, Sai Babu sir is also there. You can directly message him. In fact, that's it. Right. All the very best.
All the best.